What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, all glory and thanks to God for another day and another opportunity to share this content with you. My name is Eric, and on this channel we break down the markets, analyze high probability setups, and focus on quality trading education to help you improve your trading journey. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads when they drop. Thank you for being here, and may God bless you all. Now let's get straight into today's analysis. Welcome again, guys. Today we are going to I'm going to give out my next week anticipation on both EURUSD and NASDAQ. So these are my views. Yeah, these are my views, guys. So do your own analysis. And stick to your analysis. If my analysis and yours align, then take the trade. If they don't align, please pick your own analysis. Don't follow my analysis. These are my views, so you're supposed to have your own views. So let us begin. So we are starting with EURUSD, and we're starting from daily time frame as usual. So on daily time frame, on Friday, market opened, manipulated to the upside, then manipulated to the upside, took Thursday high, then closed below. There was a strong bearish closure on Friday, indicating there might be a possibility of market selling come next week from tomorrow. So I'm anticipating that market might sell come tomorrow. Market might sell. I'll be looking for sell. Reason being the Friday closure. It's confirming sales. So let us switch to our 4 and see if daily and our 4 they are aligning. So on our 4, this is the structure, this is the fractal. As you can see, there was a sweep. There was a sweep. There's a CSD over here, and market sold. So market is printing. It's printing. It's confirming sales. Already. Daily time frame and our 4 they are aligning, indicating that there will be a sell. Other thing, there's this bearish our 4 order block, as you can see. So market it's indicating sales, and there's a CSD over here. As you can see, there's our 4 CSD. So I'll be interested in selling. So my interest, let me switch back to our on daily. So I'll be interested to see market grabbing this low first, this Wednesday low, then market I'll be interested in market to come grab this Wednesday low, then switch into bullish momentum. So I'm interested to see if this low this swing low will be grabbed. So that's why I'm saying market might sell come next week. So my interest is over here. I want to see this swing low being grabbed, then market resume bullish, market resume buying. So let us switch to our 1 and see if we have the same structure. On our 1, as you can see here, we still have the same structure. There's a sweep, there's a CSD over here, sweep, CSD over here. So already daily, our 4 and our 1, they are aligned. Market indicating bearish, market indicating there's a bearish. The market is strongly selling. As you can see, also Friday market printed my A plus. I didn't take this trade. I just want to show you market printed my A plus setup. There was this sweep. There's an IFVG over here. There's a fair value gap over here. Then time and price align. As you can see, this is 9, 10. So market printed my A plus setup and sold heavily. So if you're trading my strategy, this was a clean A plus setup, A plus sell setup. Let us see if market gave 2R your entry. Let us see. Okay, there. Yeah, market gave clean 2R, as you can see, 2R. So this was a clean, but I didn't take the trade. I'm only showing you market printed my A plus setup. So So guys, I've shown you several times my A plus setup. It works. I told you it works so many times. It works. It works. I told you when you are when you the only thing you need is you have to have big capital. Your account must be fat account, and be patient. Be patient and disciplined. You will eat from this strategy a lot, and accept 1:2. Eh? Don't be greedy. 1:2. 1:2 are. 1:2 only. Then you will eat a lot from this strategy. You'll harvest a lot from this strategy. So today we weren't talking about my A plus setup. I was only giving you my anticipation, my next week anticipation. But I wanted to show you that my A plus printed. There was a clean A plus setup. And my EURUSD printed my A plus setup. If I was to trade on Friday, I would have taken the trade because this fair value gap market stabbed, then formed another block, then took the sell from there, then stop loss over here, then hold to 2R, clean 2R. So on Monday, come tomorrow Monday, I'll be interested in market coming, stabbing this fair value gap to print my A plus setup exactly as this order block over here. Let me shade it for those for people to understand. I want market to print something like this here, something similar like this here. From London to New York. I told you don't trade Asia, don't trade Tokyo. So London, I'm expecting market to stab here, print this fractal, print this structure here, either London or New York. Then I'm taking the trade, I'm taking the sell. So Euro USD, let me write it. Let me write it here. Euro USD, Euro USD. I'm super bearish. Come next week. Come next week. Yeah. Euro USD, I'm super bearish. Come next week. So let us switch to NASDAQ. Already I've shown you Euro USD, I'm bearish. So let us switch to NASDAQ. As usual, starting from daily time frame. So on daily time frame, this is the structure. So on daily time frame, market closed with a strong bullish candle. As you can see, Friday market closed with a strong bullish candle, indicating more buys. There's a possibility of market buying come next week, and I think this time market is coming to grab this highs. Let me mark it. These swing highs. I'm interested market to grab these swing highs now. I'm hoping market will be grabbing these swing highs. I'm interested. So because there's a sweep over here, there's a CSD over here, so market might retest the CSD, then buy. You understand? Yeah, I hope everyone can see that. I hope everyone is seeing what I'm seeing. There's a CSD over here, so I'm hoping market might retest, then buy, to grab these swing highs, swing high over here. So let us switch to our 4 and see if daily and our 4 are aligning. So now 4, this is the structure. As you can see, there was this on Wednesday, Friday. Where is Friday, man? Yeah, Friday is over here. Okay, so as you can see, there was a sweep over here, and our first CSD. Let me mark it. Our first CSD. I don't know whether to switch the color to blue. Our first to purple, I mean. Our first CSD, and then market bought. So I'll be interested in. I'll be looking for buys on NASDAQ. Come tomorrow. From tomorrow, I'll be looking for buys on NASDAQ. So let us switch to our one and see the structure. Our one, why isn't it switching? Please switch. one. My network has issues. What's not happening? Daily time frame. Switch, man, switch. What the hell is this? Switch. Hey, my network has issues, guys. Yeah, okay, daily, hour one, I want hour one, yeah, okay. Sorry about that. So, okay, this is a structure on hour one, as you can see, the 4-hour CSD market bought. So, this is a structure on hour one. On hour one, this is the structure. This is the structure. As you can see, there was a sweep here again. Sweep. There's a CSD over here. So I'm hoping what I'll be hoping. Let me see. So I'm hoping market will open. Retest this area, print my A plus setup, then I'm taking the buys. I'm really hoping this region will hold because there's a sweep over here. Let me mark it. There's a sweep over here. There's a sweep over there. There's a sweep over here. There's a CSD. And there's this order block. So I'm really hoping market to open, come retest this region, print my A plus setup here. Then I'll take the buys. So Nasdaq. Let me write Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Super bullish. Nasdaq, I'm super bullish. Nasdaq, I'm super bullish. So I really hope this region will hold. I'm anticipating, I'm hoping that this area will hold for buys. So I'll be interested to see if market, if price will be held here, then prints my A plus, then I'm taking the buys. As you can see already, right now Nasdaq will be Nasdaq is confirming this daily CSD. There's a daily CSD over here. Nasdaq is already confirming on our 4 bullish CSD. On our 4, I'm hoping market to grab. Market is grabbing this high. We are in already market is at minor resistance, I guess. Minor resistance. Then I'm hoping that I'm hoping price will be pushed down because we are our 4 resistance. Price will be pushed down to this region, then buy. So I'll be watching this area to see if market will be held at this zone. So if market is held at this zone, I'm repeating this once again. If market is held at this zone, I'll wait for market to print my A plus on this zone, then I will take the buys. So that's what I'll be looking. So if market is held at this zone and print my A plus, I'll take the buys. If market violate this zone, my next zone is, let us see, my next zone, this is the favor, look up over here. My next zone is, one hour. Why is this? My network is misbehaving. Okay. So I've said my next zone might be here, but I'm really hoping that this zone will be this zone will hold. So I'm really hoping this zone will hold. So this is where I want to buy. This zone over here. This is where I'll be looking for buys. If market prints my A plus during London, either London or New York, I'm taking the buys. I won't be taking the buys if they are printed at Asia or Tokyo. I told you during those hours I'm always asleep. So I'll be interested in market buying, market printing my A plus either London or New York at this zone, then I will take the buys. I'm really hoping this zone, and I'm repeating, I'm really hoping this zone will hold price. So guys, that's all I had to share with you. That's my next week anticipation. I've said on Euro USD, I'm super bearish come next week, as you can see. Euro USD, I'm super bearish come next week. Then NASDAQ, I'm super bullish. So that's all, my guys. Thank you for the new subscribers. Thank you once again. I appreciate it so much. For those who are asking, who are concerned about my A+ setup, please DM me. I will explain it much better. If you're not understanding how I frame my setup, you can DM me. I will explain to you. So that's all. See you on the next video. Subscribe, enjoy, and learn. So bye till next week. Till we shall meet on the